Hey people! Long time no see. Apologise for that. Weather's been bad and there's been a lot going on. Let's see what's in store. The Krusty's Rusty Salvage today. Happy days! So, today is the inevitable day. It's been 6 weeks and it's auction day. As per usual, there's a few things in there that I fancy. And let's just see what goes through. I haven't got a clue what I'm going to buy. Everything I've set my heart to buy, I'll probably not win, so I'll end up with something else. Or I might not end up with anything. You just don't know in this game. There's a few things, so I'm going to get there now, get registered, and I'll see you at the auction. So let's see, yeah. Go and make the catalogue, go from there. Doesn't look as busy today, but that is, well, I'm not going to say anything actually. Could be weather providing or it could be anything, I don't know. Oh, I tell a lie, it's absolutely rammed. So, let's just crack on. Oh, they're starting. I need my catalogue quick. Like really quick. Right, I'm getting in. I'll speak in a bit. Got that one.
Right, lot number 6 here. A 1980 Ford Escort right here in the front of the hall there in blue. And I'm starting that on the net there at only £3,000. So I'm looking for 3,250 or 3,000 on the net there. I'm looking for 250 on the Escort there. Anywhere at 3,250.
How nice is that? There. I don't know what the estimate's on it like. It'd be a good few quid.
3,500 on the net, and 3,750. We're at 3,500, 4,000 back on the net there, at 4,000 on the net. Looking for 4,250 anywhere. I've got 4,000 on the internet there. Looking at 4,250. Any more? Any more? At £4,000 on the Escort
now that's a motor.
Visually selling that to the internet at only £4,000. But once, twice, I'm provisionally selling that at £4,000.
Block 7
like 2005.
I'm going round. I'll just do a quick view here. I'm not going to commentate because what else going on in the background. I've got to keep my eye out because there's one quite close to me, so I'm just going to do a show around.
The hammer's up at £800. The once, twice, and selling at £800 on the Mercedes.
Look at that, man.
That's
absolutely. And it's a Volvo.
Right, lot number 8, 2000 a year, the Aston Martin AV7 V12 automatic. This one, load of car for money here. I'm looking on the internet there at just £6,750 for the Aston Martin. Very cheap, I wanted £6,750. I'm looking for £7,000 anywhere on the Aston Martin. 7 at the back of the hall. I got 7,000 with me in the net. There's a whole bit of first there, so I got 7 with me in the hall.
Absolutely spotless.
£7,250 anywhere. We're at £7,000. Business out there, we go 7,250. We get 7,250 in the hall here. Is it 7,500 anywhere? 7,500 back in the back of the hall there. Is it
step size smiley.
7,750? Is it 8,000?
Now that's a clean smiley.
We're trying £8,000 in the 8,250, sir. Are you sure?
That is a very clean smiley.
£8,000 in the hall, the back of the hall there. Visual that one. We're a little bit away. We can see what we can do.
Get him on.
Vision selling the Aston Martin there, £8,000. The Hammer, the Vision selling.
Mine's nowhere near this clean inside.
250 is 8,500. 8-5 there with one more shot at 8-5. You sure? 8,250 on the net. Provision selling that at 8,250. But once, twice, and provision selling to the internet at 8,250. Right, lot number 9 now.
It's like brand new.
Jaguar XK there, V8 this one. And we're starting that off at only £4,750 on the internet there. And look for £5,000 of the whole run on the internet at just £4,750.
Grew up
Any
P4.
more on the Jaguar there? We go £5,000.
Always fancy slamming one of these.
Is it 5-5? 5-5 in the hole, 5-5 in the hole. 5,750 on the net there. Is it £6,000? 6,000 in the hole there. 6,000 in the hole. Looking for 6,250 or 6,000 in the hole. In there if you want to pay it now. 6,250 on the net. 6,250 on the net. Is it 6,500 there? 6,500. 6,500 back of the hole there. Not go big behind you. It's £6,500. 6,750 on the net. Is it 7,000 there? Try 7. Let's ask some more. Let's go for 7 on this one. No, it's out. But on the internet, provisioning at £6,750 there. Quite provisional that one at 6,750 there. Once, twice, provision selling to the net, 6,750. Right, lot number 10, 1942 Hudson Commodore there, up the back of the wall. Lovely big old thing this, and we're starting at in on the net at just £3,250, and I'm looking for 3,500. I've got 3,250 on the net there, 3,250 on the net. Is it 3,500 anywhere? 3,500 anywhere on the lovely big Hudson. We're 3,250 on the net there, big provision on that one. Any more bids on the lovely big Hudson at 3,250?
No, that's only one. It's a 1.6.
Once, twice, provision selling the Hudson at 3,250. That's provisional that internet.
It's all right next to it. It's a 1.9.
Lot number 11 there, 1991 Nissan Figaro. It's in the middle of the hall there. Lovely little car, this one. I'm starting that at only £2,250 on the net. I'm looking for 2,500. 2.5 straight at 2.5. 2.5 nice. In the room, 2.5 the net. The net's out there, it's 2.5 in the room. I'm at 2,750 in there. 2,750, 2,750 over here. Is it 3,000? 3,000 over there. Is it 3,250? It's with a chance of 3,250.
But that's a monster.
There we go, £3,250 there, but nearly it was there, nearly there, 3,250. Is it 3,500 there, 3,500 there, 3,250 over
that's
there,
an
on my
M3.
left.
That's an M.
This
is an M3, and I think the M3s don't look that pretty. That's just me.
No, it's out at 3,500 there, so 3,250 to you. Visually selling that there at 3,250. Do you want that, please?
Ooh, you bugger.
Right, lot 12, the 1996 MGF in white with the black hardtop there in the middle room. Lovely little car, this one with the hardtop. Use that all year round. I'm starting out only £800, only £800 on the lovely little MG.
Sorry,
yeah, looking for 850. Is it 850 anywhere? 850 anywhere. The lovely little 850 in the hall here. Looking for 900. We've got 900 there at the front door. £900. Is it 950 there? 950. Is it 1,000? 1,000. Is it £1,100 there? We've got £1,100, we've got 12, is it 13? It's out the third, £1,300, £1,200 in the middle of the hall there, and then £1,200. Provision selling that.
Sure.
£1,200, another little TF. Once, twice, provision selling at only £1,200.
Look, a really clean version of the Range Rover I bought.
Right, off
it's got the same interior.
Mercedes 230 Saloon here. I'm starting that one off at only 4,250 on the net, 4,250 on the net. I'm looking for 4,500 on that. We have 4,450 down here, 4,500 in the room, 4,750 at the back there, 4,750 at the back. Hold the space in the net, you're out at 4,700. £5,000 down the front there, 5,250 back at you. Is it 5,500 there, sir? 5,500 on the net now, 5,500 in the hall, you're out, 5,500 on the net, 5,750 at the back of the room there, 5,750 in the room there. Is it 6,000 there? We're at 5,750, 6,000 on the net, 6,250. We're at 6250 in the hall, at the back of the hall, 6250 in the net, back at 65 and 7, that's 7. Here to be sold, I'm starting it on sale at only £700.
Yeah, I'm keeping the faith.
That's
all I'm doing.
We've got 750 back behind you, around 750 at the back of the hall there. Is it 800? 800 in front of the hall, looking for 850, behind it 850, behind it 850, 900. Is there 1,000 there? No? Right, £900 there. Any more? £900, no reserve, it be sold. 322, but once, twice, and selling at only £900. Sold to you. 209.
Cheap. Look at that.
Right, lot 15 and lovely 1964 Sears Cell in black there. I'm starting that on the net at only £2,000. £2,000 on the CRM for 2,250. We're at £2,000, 2,250 in the room, 2,250, 2,500 on the net, 2,500 on the net. Is it 2,750, 2,750 in the room, 2,750 in the room, in the net, you are out. We are 2,750, 3,000, 3,250, 3,250 in the room, 3,250 in the room, net out on net, 3,250 in the room, with me on the right hand side there, at 3,250.
That is just pure awesomeness.
3,250. 3,500 in the hall there, 3,500, 3,750 back. Is it 4,000 sir? Is it 4,000 brings out at £3,750 over here to my right. Visually selling that at £3,750. Visually selling the once, twice, and provisional at £3,750.
Right on, just take. Sorry.
Right, lot number 16, 2003, Rover 75, this one. Yes, we sold without reserve, it's on sale on the internet at only £320. Looking for 340 now, and we're looking at the Rover 75, and 340 everywhere, 340 in the front of the room, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440 in the balance, and £1,400.
Yeah, definitely.
16 around, and the Rover 75 there, 16 around, 16 around, £1,700, 17 on the net there, £1,700 on the net, and we're on sale at £1,700 only, on sale at 17 to the net there, the hammers up £1,700, 18 on the net, 18 there, looking for 1,900 now, looking for 1919 on the net, 2,000 in there, £2,000 around, there's lovely, low mileage,
That takes me back to me youth.
We are once, twice, and selling at £1,900 on the net there. So,
What's even got the fucking Carlo card?
right, lot 25 Triumph Mayflower there. Box originally, you've got telephone, 54750, looking for £5,000 now. On the lovely lads here at 4750 on the net there at £5,000. One more anywhere, 5,000, 5,250. Yeah, it's good. 5,250 on the internet there, 5,750, meaning £6,000 now. We're jumping up again somewhere at £5,750 on the £1,000 on the sheet, and the hammer is up at 25,000. Is it 25,500? You want to go down because the hammer's up, and we are on sale, and we're selling at £25,000. 25,500 there, 25,500 back with me at £26,000 now. On sale at £26,000. Make no mistake, with a hammer drop, it is gone at £26,000 on our bids. We're once, twice, and selling at 26,500. Be a bit quicker, 26,500 now. Back with me at £27,000. We are on sale with me on my sheet at £27,000. The hammer is up, and we are once, twice. If you want 27,500, you go now, because we are on sale at £27,000. Sold.
£27,000 for an Astor GT 16 valve. It was a mint, I like. And this Transit, awesome. Starting bids £5,500. Estimates 7.
1998 Ford Transit, step side over here, telephone bids on this, internet bids on this, and bids with us on this. I'm starting it on sale at £6,000 on the net there, 6,250, 6,500 with me, 6,750 on the net, 6,750 on the net, I've got on the sheet here at 7,000 on my sheet, internet around 7,250 back on the net. Back with me at £7,500. With me here, internet, I was here first, we're here first. On sale at £7,500. Looking for 7,750 on sale at £7,500, and the hammer is up at 7,500. We are once, twice, and selling at £7,500. Sold.
Wow, that's a nice truck. That's a very nice truck.
So the hammer's up, the once, twice, and selling. There we go. That was just in there, just in. 400 on the net, 420 there. 420 with me in the whole over here, £420. There we go, Craig's there, 460, 460, 460 to 480 there. Craig's at £460. The hammer's up, we are on sale at £460. Once, twice, 480 on the net, 480, 500 there, 500 back in the hole at £500. Looking for 550 now, at 500 in the hole. The hammer's up, we're on sale at £500. We're once, twice, and selling in the hole at £500. Sold.
302. So I bought this. Yeah. Stone chip back? Yeah. She's rough. She's very rough. Nothing a bit welding won't sort out. Ooh, and it's got a toolbar. Even better. She's what she is, isn't she? Put it at the bottom of that door. I've got ideas for her. Big ideas. She'll do the job. That must be crackers. And it ain't queuing that far to get a cup of coffee. And so, I bought a BMW 525 diesel, which is a bit rough around the edges, but there's nothing to say that I can't fix it, because I will. I'll have a go at it. What I'm going to do with it, I've got no idea. I'm going to let my imagination run wild with it. Slam it, wider arches, a nice full leather interior, it's automatic. Let's just see what we can do. It was cheap enough for me to buy, and I bought it. I'm going to go home now because this is one other car I fancy, but I'm going to bid for that online. It's right at the end and I really don't fancy standing around. So I'll let you know, but thanks for watching. Make sure you hit all them buttons, you know the ones I mean. Yeah, the like button, the share button, subscribe button. Subscription gets me a little bit further. It will help me so much just to grow this channel. I want to thank all my subscribers for everything, and you know, helping me grow this channel. Just want to grow. I don't want is such a. I think it's a very demanding word. I would like just to take it that little bit further, and hopefully, we can see what's coming. I've still got plenty of things in line to come. I haven't been videoing lately, and it's just been there's been a few things going on in my life, and I've had to sort that out first. But kind of back on track now, so we'll crack forward. Thank you everyone, God bless, and love to you all, man. Happy days. Thank you.